Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you whether the Realme X2 Pro has a UFS 3.0 read and write speeds or not. Because a lot of users are asking me whether the Realme X2 Pro has a this kind of feature or not, UFS 3.0. Whether the Chinese version has or not. So right now I'm using the Chinese version, as you can see here. So 8GB and 128GB variant. So definitely guys, the Realme X2 Pro has a higher read and write speeds when compared with other smartphones like the Redmi K20 Pro. So even I did a video on that as well. So the Realme X2 Pro has a UFS 3.0 in the 128GB and 256GB variant, as you can see here. So 8GB RAM and 12GB variant, definitely there is a UFS 3.0. So only in the 64GB model there is UFS 2.1, as you can see. So now let me use these two applications to test the read and write speeds of the Realme X2 Pro. So even I did a lot of comparison with the speed test of OnePlus 7 Pro and the Redmi K20 Pro as well, side by side, comparing the same kind of test I did with both the phones, comparing side by side. So if you are interested to watch the video, you need to check the links in description guys for that. So even I compared with the Realme X as well, so which is a mid-range mobile. So as you can see here, so having the UFS 3.0 is very helpful guys in terms of the read and write speeds from the phone memory. The test has been completed. So if you want, you can download this application from the Play Store and you can try from your device, and just you can compare the test from your device to the right now in the Realme X2 Pro device, so you can understand how much higher speeds in the Realme X2 Pro when compared with your already used mobile UFS 2.0 or 2.1. So next application is Android Bench. This is another benchmark application. So let me run this benchmark as well. So you can try these two applications from the Play Store, which is available. So let me show you in the Play Store. So this application which I used first, and then Android Bench. This is another application. So you can try these two applications and just compare your score with this Realme X2 Pro score. So you'll get a clear idea how much fast the Realme X2 Pro actually is, and which is very useful in terms of the read and write speeds. So overall guys, this is a quick review of the Realme X2 Pro, demonstrating that the phone has the UFS 3.0 support even in the 8GB and 128GB variant. So a lot of you guys are asking me this kind of question, so I thought of making a video for you all. So if you are having this same kind of question, don't forget to WhatsApp me guys. So you need to send me the picture after subscribing to my channel like this, and then you can ask me the query as you can see here. So because of this subscriber, I have done this video. So if you are having any doubt regarding any smartphone, try to message me in the WhatsApp, so I can make a video on that if possible. So that's it guys, it's a quick video, and for more info, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check the playlist as well for the Realme X2 Pro. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.